One way to back up WhatsApp messages. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Log into your account, then click on three dots on top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three dots on top right corner of your screen, simply click on Chats. After you have clicked on Chats, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In Chats, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down till you find Chat Backup. Click on Chat Backup, and in here you'll find using your Google account or other account. Simply click on Backup, which is in green in color. After you've done that, your account messages will be backed up. This is how to back up WhatsApp messages. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.